Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Essential Emails 2.0 review video, I'd like to share with you a brand new email marketing comprehensive training course that has just been launched by a six-figure earner and email marketing expert, Dawud. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you inside the members area and show you exactly what you get with this course, because I'm a member myself. And I'm also going to show you, if you want to get the course for free, how you can become an affiliate and you can promote this offer as well. So I'm on the home page here. This is a new updated 2.0 version. And this is what you're going to get within this course. You're going to learn how to transform your email results. It's perfect for beginners as well. So if you haven't started list building or you haven't started email marketing yet, then this is a great course for you to get started with. It's very beginner friendly. It's going to teach you how to always reach the inbox and get out of the spam folder and the promotions folder. It's going to teach you how to treble your open rates. So if your emails aren't getting opened, then this is a great feature here. How to reduce unsubscribes to tiny levels, because there's no point in people just joining your email list, opting in to your capture pages, and then after the first email unsubscribe, and you're not going to build a list that way. I'm going to teach you how to engage and inform your lists. There's a full video training provided. I'll take you inside the members area and includes full list building training. So first of all, let's just have a look at who the product creator is. So this is Dawud, and the reason that I like this course is because Dawud's background is as a journalist, as a copywriter, and an author. So he's an absolute expert in this field, and that's one of the reasons why I follow him, and I also buy his products. And you'll also see that in the Warrior Plus marketplace, he's a top 10% vendor. He's an elite vendor, a top 10% affiliate. He's a six-figure earner and elite affiliate. And 8 of his products have been featured as featured offers in the Warrior Plus marketplace. So he's a recognized six-figure earner, and he's got a lot of credibility within the affiliate marketing industry. So let's have a look now what's inside the members area. What do you actually get with Essential Emails 2.0? So there'll be a link in the description where it costs $9.95 to buy this course. And when you get into the members area, it's absolutely loaded with value. First of all, you get a welcome email. And then when you come down here into the main training section, it gives you an overview of what you're going to get. There's a video with each of these. And then the main training section here is absolutely loaded with value, covers every single aspect of email marketing. So inbox delivery. So if I just click on here, he's even done video tutorials. This is not just some PDF that's been put together that you've got to just read and have a go. These are video tutorials, inbox delivery, email tester, get the mail tester, spam, all right, using GMass, so using Gmail as a form of promoting your offers. It covers subject lines and spam words, the science of email marketing, optimum mailing tactics, the minimal approach, the negative to positive approach, the scarcity. So different approaches. So this is not just something that There's different approaches to email marketing. Some people like the story method, like is covered here. Some people like scarcity approaches, negative approaches. So he's giving you all different angles, and you sort of choose which way you want to approach your email marketing. The double email, a day in the life of an email marketer, how to email to safe list mailers. So it's really a fully comprehensive course. Now, further down here, let's just close that window there. Further down here is giving you email swipes for new list subscribers, a series for buyers, series for an unresponsive list, so maybe emailing out to people who are not even opening the emails. How to use the swipes is even showing you, because what happens is when you join a new offer, you get other people's email swipes. How to use other people's email swipes, and there's also lots of bonuses in here, free bonuses. How to use ChatSonic for AI. Lots of great bonuses here that he gives you within this members area. Resources, other resources in here. So this really is absolutely superb value as a member. Now let me show you as an affiliate what you can, how to promote Essentials Emails 2.0 and how to get this offer for free and even get into profit and earn affiliate commissions with it. Because what Dawud has done, you just promote one link. So what you'll do is you'll get your affiliate link here. I've got my affiliate link there. You'll get your affiliate link to promote. And you'll see here that within this done for you funnel, there's multiple products built into it. This is the price of the products on this column here. And these are the commissions that you can potentially earn. Now, what you'll see here is the product itself costs $9.95, so it's reasonably, it's affordable. It's an impulse purchase. You'll earn 50% commissions on each of these funnel offers. Now, you'll see one of these is $197, and you can earn $98.50 alone on that one product. And generally what can happen is, if you've watched any of my Warrior Plus videos, generally what can happen is that referrals can go buy more than one product, because each of these is going to help your referrals build their business faster. So this one here, reseller rights. This one here, reseller rights at $47. That gives you the opportunity. You can then sell this product and earn 100% commissions. So for those that are aggressively promoting, they can get into profit faster. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video on social media as well, and that will help support the channel as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about Essential Emails 2.0, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. So this page in the description here is where you can join. Click here to get access now. $9.95. It's superb value. And then you'll see here all the different bonuses here. These are the bonuses that you're going to get. There's 5 bonuses there alone with this offer. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.